Okay, so we're still working on transformations, and we have our rules up here. So we have negative c is inside. If it's negative c, it moves to the right. If it's a positive c, it moves to the left. And then we have our d is on the outside of the house. So remember, inside the parentheses or any symbol is inside the house. Outside, it's outside. If it's a positive d, it moves up. If it's a negative d, it moves down. So looking at my question, we have what are the vertical and horizontal transformations of the function below from the parent function. So we know that vertical is up and down, and we know horizontal is left to right. So looking at my parent function, we have g of x equals 3, absolute value x minus 4, absolute value plus 3. Remember, we know this is inside of the house. So what is my c value? What is my c value? That's correct. Negative 4 is my c value. And this negative 4 doesn't move left or right. Very good. It's a horizontal shift to the right. And now, what is my d value? What is the d value? Very good. It says plus 3 right here. And that plus 3 doesn't move up or down. Very good. Vertical shift up. And just to make you aware, this 3 right here, it doesn't matter in this situation. We're going to learn about it tomorrow. But this 3 is in front. In front doesn't, it's not C or D. So this is a different letter. Well, technically it's our A, just to get you used to that. But right now we're only dealing with C. We're only dealing with C and D. Those are the important for today's lesson. So next example, we have what are the vertical and horizontal transformations? Remember, vertical is up and down, horizontal is left to right of the function below from the parent function. So we're looking at d of x equals 4f parentheses x plus 5 parentheses minus 7. Now, we know this is inside of the house, so what is my c value? What is the c value? Very good. It's positive 5. So we know it's positive 5. Does it move left or does it move right? Very good. Horizontal shift to the left. So then now we're looking for our d value. Which number is my d? Very good. Negative 7. And negative 7 doesn't mean the graph moves up or down. It's a vertical shift down because it's negative. Very good. And remember, this 4 right here doesn't matter for today's lesson. It's not important. We're only paying attention to the C and the D. The C and the D. So, for this one, let's read the problem. What are the vertical and horizontal transformations of the function below? From the parent function, we know vertical is up and down. We know horizontal is left to right. So, we're going to look at it. hx equals negative 5 square root 4x plus 3 minus 8. We know that all that's inside of the house. Okay, so what is my c value? My c value. Correct, it's positive 3. So it's positive 3. So does that move left or move right? Horizontal, very good. Shift left. And then I'm looking for my d value. What's my d value? Oh my god. Negative 8. So the negative 8 doesn't move up or move down. Very good. Vertical shift down. And so this 4 and this negative 5, those are not important today. We're not touching those today. We're learning about them tomorrow. But remember, we're only dealing with h and k. So for this example, we're going to read the problem. Always read the problem, y'all. What are the vertical and horizontal transformations of the function below from the parent function f of x? Remember, vertical is up and down. Horizontal is left and right. Sorry about the train. So looking at this, we have h of x equals parentheses x minus 10 parentheses squared plus 5. This is inside the house. So what is my c value? What is my c value? Very good. Negative 10. And that negative 10 doesn't mean the graph is moving left or moving right. Very good. Horizontal shift right. And then now, what is the value of my D? What is the value of my D? Very good. So does that move up or move down? Vertical, shift up, because it's positive. All right. So looking at this one, we're first going to read the problem. We have, what are the vertical and horizontal transformations of the function below from the parent function f of x? Remember, vertical is up and down, horizontal is left to right. We're looking for our c value. First, it's inside the home, remember? So you have negative 3fx plus 4 minus 10. So what is my c? What is my c? What number represents the c value? Very good, negative 4. And it's a positive 4. So does the function move left or move right? Horizontal, very good. Shift left. And then what value is my d value? What value is my d value? Very good, negative 10. So that negative 10, does that mean the graph is, or the function is going to transform up or transform down? Very good, vertical transformation down. And that's it for today. Have a great day.